Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So in this one, that is about this one. So I will put about F and E because F and E that is about number one. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So F and 8 minus F and B, that is about this one. So we can put like this. So this one we have SE to the power of 1 over S. So in this situation, I will select about this one because I want to put about y equals to 1 over S. So when S approach to number 0 on the right, so this one in here, we have number 1 divided by this one, and you got about y approach to positive infinity. So this one, that is about this one. So y approach to positive infinity. This one will change for y. This one will change for y in here. Now, I will put this one go in here. So we just focus on this one. So when y approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. And this one we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have e to the power of y. This one we have number 1. When y approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So in this situation, this one will go to positive infinity. So the final value that should be like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.